Hello everyone, welcome to the channel NR Media 24/7. My name is Rajesh.
Hello, I'm Nishi.
Today we are going to watch the official trailer of an upcoming Hindi movie Phule, starring Pratik Gandhi and Patralekha, and it is directed by Anant Narayan Mahadevan. This movie is releasing on April 11th. So let's check this one out.
I have a dream. एक ऐसा समाज हो जहां कोई प्रधान नहीं, सब समान हो.
The man with a mission, Jyotiba Phule.
तो लड़कियों को पढ़ा के तुम क्रांति लाओगे. अरे क्रांति लाने का इतना ही शौक है तो देश के स्वतंत्रता संग्राम में जुड़ो.
अंग्रेजों की गुलामी तो सिर्फ 100 साल पुरानी है. मैं जिस गुलामी से लोगों को स्वतंत्र करना चाहता हूं वो 3000 साल पुरानी है.
लड़कियों को पढ़ाना बंद करो.
फिर हरकत करी तो जान से मार देंगे.
चलो एक बात तो समझ आ गई, ये युद्ध नहीं महायुद्ध है.
पुण्य और सावित्री ने ऊंच जात की वर्ण व्यवस्था को हिला दिया है.
मत छू, आपको पाप लगेगा.
इनके आत्मसम्मान को जगाना चाहिए.
आज तक किसी शूद्र ने ऐसा दुस्साहस नहीं किया.
और ज्योतिबा को समझा, हमारी प्रथाओं में बाधा न डाले.
क्या कर लोगे?
देखते हैं कौन पहले थकता है, वो या हम. देश को सबसे बड़ी गुलामी से आजाद करना चाहता हूँ, दबे कुछ लोग को उठाना चाहता हूँ.
You're challenging the religion of the upper castes.
विधवा होना भाग्य में है, गंजा होना नहीं.
विधवाएं चाहें तो पुनर्विवाह भी कर सकती हैं. ये बात है. हमारे उत्थान के लिए हम नए समाज की शुरुआत करेंगे, सत्यशोधक समाज.
सबसे बड़ा उद्देश्य रहेगा कि किसी को शूद्र नहीं, दलित कहा जाए.
हमारा देश एक भावुक देश है. यहाँ धर्म और जाति के नाम पर लोगों को लड़ाना बड़ा ही सरल है. ये भविष्य में भी होगा. बस क्रांति की इस ज्योत को जलाए रखना.
So the last dialogue that shows in the trailer is so apt that our nation is a very sentimental nation. It's very easy to get people fight over religion and stuff. If it is really said by Jyotiba Phule at that time, it's so true now as well. But the story is about the things that Mr. Jyotiba Phule has done for the country. One of the things that they show is the education of girls and women, but they also talk about the Dalit, the Achuts, right? There was a couple of scenes related to that. So what do you think?
It's good to bring these
Stories.
Not stories, right? The real life incidents.
Right.
When they make it as a movie, it reaches a lot more people. Right?
Correct.
A lot of people don't even realize the struggles for some of the things that we take for granted today, right? Like you don't have to shave your head once you become a widow, right? Like things like that, which is unnecessary. It's just a way to keep people suppressed, if you think about it, right? Like not teaching women to learn, again, keeps them in control. So for people in that era to go against that, like not only are they making enemies, like you have this British over enslaving the entire country, but now you are also making your own people or your own society as your enemy, right? Because the whole thing about untouchables and everything was so prevalent, right? And I wouldn't be surprised even if it is still there in certain parts of India. It's probably there, and that last statement is very valid, right? Like some people are so core to that and the power that it brings that they don't want to change, right?
Yeah, change is very difficult at any point. So it's very difficult to go back in time and see how much it takes for someone, right, to bring about a change in the society where the things are so deep rooted. To even think about that we can make something happen, we can change this is exemplary. So to make a movie as you said, it reaches a wider audience, and we can appreciate more the efforts that put in by these folks that has made our country move forward in the right direction, right?
Yeah. The only thing, now I'm trying to compare this with Lagan, right? Because some of the scenes reminded me of Lagan and the time that is there, right? Lagan, you kind of like looking at the visuals, you kind of feel like you're back in time. This one was very bright and so even though it is a periodic or a historical thing, I think the color schemes are like more like as if it's happening now.
No,
it's a little too bright. I felt like some of the colors.
I thought it was okay. It was not a very flashy stuff.
It's not flashy, no.
And Pratik Gandhi looked, and Patralekha looked the character part, the costume, the design, and everything. It looked okay to me. So you guys let us know what do you think about this trailer in the comment section below. And if you are new here, please do subscribe to our channel.
Like, share, and hit the bell icon.
Thanks a lot for watching.
Thank you.